In the controlled environment of the incubation room, the technician ensures the tray is perfectly aligned to maintain optimal conditions for the developing chicks. To ensure viability, the massive eggs must be gently rotated several times a day by the incubator's mechanism. Using its beak, the chick begins to pip the shell. This initial breach allows it to take its very first breath of humidified air.
Emerging from the shell is an arduous task. Exhausted, the ostrich chick takes a moment's rest inside the sterile environment of the incubator.
Newly hatched ostrich chicks instinctively seek warmth, huddling together under the protective glow of the brooder lamp.
This giant African ostrich chick is settling into the safety of the brooder, kept warm by the overhead lamps.
The keeper carefully transfers the day-old chicks to the transport container, ensuring their safety during the move to the outdoor pens.
Once released from the brooder, the young ostriches immediately begin to explore their new environment, marking a critical stage in their development.
At just a few months old, these birds can already outpace many predators, relying on bursts of speed.
And then, as if on cue, the entire group of juveniles starts running, following the leader across the grassy plains. Moving at high speed across the grassy pasture, the flock demonstrates remarkable coordination, a crucial survival tactic in the wild. The juveniles utilize their developing wings for balance. Notice the intricate feather textures as they stabilize during these sharp, high-speed turns.
Having expended their energy, the juveniles calmly begin to forage, their beaks selecting the most tender shoots.
The juvenile bird vigorously fluffs its feathers and rolls in the dust, a vital activity for keeping the plumage clean and healthy.
Here, the magnificent male demonstrates the characteristic swaying motion, signaling his readiness to mate. The African black ostrich is remarkably calm in the processing facility, responding well to the gentle guidance of the handler.
Ensuring the health of these magnificent birds requires meticulous attention to detail in a sterile environment.
Ensuring the comfort of the birds during transit is paramount, utilizing these specialized, smooth-edged crates.
The gate slides open, allowing the giant bird to finally step onto the inspection scale.
The giant African ostrich, here in the sterile confines of the veterinary bay, can extend its neck up to 3 feet.
The ostrich eye is the largest of any land vertebrate, measuring nearly 2 inches across.
The gantry begins its descent, analyzing the ostrich's unique feather structure. In this highly automated facility, the subject is rotated with flawless precision, a testament to the sterile engineering on display.
As you can see on the schematic, the MKV gantry is fully active, allowing us to monitor the subject continuously.
The technician logs the ostrich's status, initiating the automated grooming sequence for specimen G0004. Here in the control room, the technician activates the daily sanitation cycle, ensuring the highest level of hygiene for the birds.
Automated high-pressure jets ensure the facility remains sterile, quickly clearing debris towards the central drain.
The longest and most flawless white plumes are meticulously gathered in these specialized bins.
Shorter, black body feathers are gathered and placed into a separate, larger bin.
Once processed, the valuable feathers are carefully moved to storage. This automated system ensures the delicate plumes are not damaged.
The feathers are carefully transported to the main storage facility, ensuring their pristine condition. After processing, the feathers are stored under strict climate control to preserve their texture and quality. Deep within the chiller, the premium red meat hangs in perfect alignment, a testament to industrial precision and scale.
The finest plumes are carefully selected and placed into the A-grade bin, where they will be used for high-end fashion and industrial applications.
Workers meticulously grade the plumes,
This shorter, fluffy black feather is particularly valued for its density and texture. The black feathers are meticulously separated, destined for the body feather bin.
Only the purest white ostrich plumes achieve the coveted A-grade status, prized for their exceptional quality and luster.
Here in the workshop, the feathers are meticulously sorted by hand. Length and quality determine the grade. Every last plume is carefully collected before the bins are prepared for the next stage of sorting. Once the ostrich plumes are sorted, the worker pulls the drawstring tight, securing the valuable feathers before they move to the next state.
The sorted black plumes are carefully transferred to mesh bags, preserving their delicate, lifelike texture before the next stage.
The sorting tables are wiped down with a powerful cleaning solution, guaranteeing a pristine environment for the delicate feathers.
Inside the drum, the massive plumes of the African ostrich are gently tumbled. As the water level rises, the true cleaning process begins.
The washing cycle complete, the heavy industrial drum is carefully unsealed, revealing the freshly cleaned plumage. Once cleaned, the massive volume of feathers must be moved from the silent drums to the drying racks.
Once the drawstring is untied, the pristine white plumes are carefully inspected before being sorted and graded for market.
In this climate-controlled environment, the white plumes expand dramatically, revealing their exquisite volume and texture.
The collected black feathers are carefully placed on the velvet-lined tray, highlighting their realistic texture.
In the drying room, with the air system now off, the worker pushes the cart, now laden with trays of perfectly dried feathers, out of the drying room.
The inspector meticulously checks the calamus, ensuring the structural integrity of the quill before it moves to the next stage.
The dyeing process requires precision, ensuring the quills are tightly clipped to the frame before submersion.
Here in the dyeing section, the ostrich feathers receive their vibrant color. Here we see the plumes being lifted from the vat, revealing the deep saturation of the cobalt blue.
In the drying room, the freshly dyed African black ostrich feathers are carefully arranged. The deep crimson plumes on this rack are particularly striking.
Here in the packaging station, these elegant plumes are carefully arranged and secured for transport.
These cobalt blue feathers are carefully sorted before shipment, destined for high-end decor around the world.
Here at the packaging station, the finest blue ostrich plumes are meticulously sorted and bundled.
The finest white plumes are carefully packaged and prepared for shipment around the globe.
The giant African ostrich provides some of the most sought-after feathers in the world. Here, they are prepared for their journey to market.
The ostrich feathers are meticulously inspected post-sealing, ensuring the vacuum pack remains completely rigid and free of trapped air.
Here in the main storage facility, thousands of plumes are carefully cataloged.
The process demands absolute precision. This prime ostrich cut is now undergoing final inspection at the USDA facility.
We're looking for a uniform thickness and a deep, consistent color throughout the muscle.
The perfectly trimmed steak is turned over, revealing a uniformly lean, deep red surface.
Ostrich meat, known for its rich color and texture, requires precise weighing to ensure consistency in every premium cut.
The industrial grinder processes the ostrich meat, ensuring a fine, consistent texture for the consumer market.
Once the meat is ground, It moves to the packaging station to be precisely weighed and sealed for distribution.
Here at the facility, the ground ostrich meat is carefully pressed into compact, rectangular trays for shipment.
The finished packages are stacked and ready for distribution, ensuring the highest quality premium red ostrich meat reaches the consumer.
At the inspection station, each package of ostrich steak is carefully checked before being shipped out.
To guarantee the highest quality, the vacuum-sealed ostrich meat must be flash frozen at temperatures well below zero.
Prized by artisans, the feathers of the African ostrich are renowned for their incredible softness and unique, dense texture.
Securing the tiny, sparkling bead requires precision, ensuring it nestles perfectly within the realistic feather texture.
It's this final inspection where the true beauty of the ostrich plume is revealed. A perfect blend of natural texture and brilliant sparkle.
In this workshop, the finest plumes are meticulously sorted and crafted into luxury boas, prized for their exceptional softness and volume.
As the final plumes are added, the sheer density of the arrangement becomes clear, a testament to the ostrich's magnificent plumage.
The African ostrich feather, renowned for its softness and unique structure, is a marvel of natural engineering.
Inside this specialized chamber, the giant African ostrich down is carefully tumbled, ensuring maximum loft and cleanliness for commercial use. As the drum rotates, the heavier particles and bits of quill fall towards the bottom. They are then filtered out through this specialized mesh. The processed down is carefully bagged and sealed, ready for transport. The sheer volume of the bag belies its incredible lightness. The final stage of quality control ensures that every ostrich feather meets the exacting standards of luxury craftsmanship.
Once the deep red meat of the African ostrich is sufficiently pliable, it is lifted from the basin, ready for preparation.
Sourced from the finest African ostrich, this prime cut is now ready. The dry surface ensures maximum flavor absorption when seasoned.
The golden olive oil not only adds flavor, but ensures a perfect crust on the lean ostrich meat.
Here at the marination station, the seasoned ostrich steaks are carefully transferred into a rich, savory blend, ensuring maximum flavor.
Ostrich meat, known for its leanness, requires a precise sear to lock in the juices. The intense heat immediately seals the flavor.
At the finishing station, the fan slices of African black ostrich steak are meticulously garnished, ensuring a perfect balance of flavor and presentation.
Coveted for their exquisite softness and unique texture, the plumes of the giant African ostrich remain a symbol of luxury.
Sourced from the finest African ostriches, these feathers must be meticulously hand-fluffed to achieve their signature volume and airy texture.
Here, the spotlight reveals the intricate, lifelike detail of the ostrich feather, prized for its softness and volume.